Hello friends, in this video we are going to discuss about botnet. So started with what is botnet. A botnet is a number of internet connected devices. Each of one is running one or more bots. Botnet can be used to perform distributed denial of service. We call as DDoS attack. Steal data, send spam and allow the attackers to access the device and its connections. The owner can control the botnet connection. Command and control software. The word botnet is a portmanteau of the word robot and network. The term is usually used as with negative or malicious connotations. A botnet is a logical connection of internet-connected device such as computers, smartphone, or lot device whose security has been breached and control ceded to a third party. Each compromised device known as a bot is created when a device is penetrated by software from a malware, malicious software distribution. The controller of a botnet is able to direct the activities of these compromised computers through communication channels formed by the standard-based network protocols, such as IRC and hypertext transfer protocol. Botnets are increasingly rented out by cyber criminals and communicated for a variety of purposes. Botnet architectures have evolved over the time in an effort to avoid detection and distribution. Traditionally, bot programs are constructed as clients which communicate via exciting server. This allows the bot header, a person controlling the botnet, to perform all control from a remote location, which obfuscate the traffic. Many recent botnets are now really on exciting P2P networks to communicate. These P2P bot programs perform the same action as a client-server model, but they do not require central service to communicate. So friends, that was a common information about the botnet, and like this video and subscribe this channel for more content related to basic educations. Thanks.